in the meantime, we've been watching temperatures rise. Let's get over to meteorologist Hannah Gard for our forecast. Is it ever coming down?
Eventually, yeah, we'll probably see those temperatures dropping by the time we get into later this week, but it's still going to be pretty warm today. We have a lot of sun. We know the sunshine heats us up very quickly without that cloud cover that we saw yesterday. It's going to be a bit warmer, but we do have a few coastal showers. Not really seeing too many lightning strikes with these, but they're just sitting offshore. Nothing inland right now, but we need to talk about those rain chances because we still want more of that rain. We saw some beneficial rainfall yesterday, but not enough to be drought busting. We need weeks of rainfall to actually help with that drought. This week, it's looking pretty iffy. Coastal storms, pretty likely. You can see those reds there offshore. We'll probably see some rainfall offshore, but inland rain chances, we could see some as we go throughout the week, but then a humidity front is going to come through before the weekend, and we know that will pretty much eliminate our chances to see some rain. So right now in the upper levels and on the surface, we have a little boundary across the region starting to dissipate, but it's just sitting over us. Down to the south, this is what we call a trough, or an area of low pressure that's mainly in the upper levels, but you can see that on the surface as well. That's causing a lot of thunderstorm activity near Florida, and you can really see it on water vapor. We have this big dip in the jet stream coming, has some drier air behind it. Now this is not going to bring us dry air on the surface. This is in the upper levels, but that's just showing you where that low pressure system is in those upper levels. Down to the south though, we've had this swirl counterclockwise here that was sitting over the Yucatan. Now it's pulling up a bit to the north. That's what's causing all of this thunderstorm activity toward Florida. So we have those two different boundaries interacting with each other. Now originally National Hurricane Center did have a chance for tropical formation on this. That's pretty much zero now. So we are going to see that low stay down there and bring us rain chances. So maybe we get some of those coastal showers moving inland until the end of the week when we have that second frontal boundary coming down. So the interaction between that front that's over us now and the low down to the south is going to bring some really heavy rainfall to places along the Florida Gulf Coast. But for us, it's mostly going to stay offshore in those coastal areas. Maybe we get a couple of those showers trying to creep inland though during the day. I think that's mainly going to be Wednesday and Thursday, but rain totals are still just not that high. We could see an inch or more in some areas along the coast, but inland less than an inch of rainfall expected through the coming week. So again, Wednesday, Thursday looks like the best chance to see some of those inland storms, but it's mostly going to stay along the coast and we get really dry by next week. That's because here's that Gulf moisture pushing up from that little somewhat tropical system. It's mostly just tropical moisture that we're seeing with that low. But then here comes all that dry air that moves through into the start of the week. As we have that frontal boundary come through, it's not really going to drop those temperatures, but it's going to bring us drier air. So that will all but eliminate our rain chances. Temperatures are going to drop slightly though as we have that boundary coming through. We'll be in the mid 80s. But it's not really cool. We're supposed to be in the mid 80s this time of year. So we get to where we're supposed to be, and then we might see things starting to try to rebound into next week. Climate Prediction Center saying still warm even through the start of October. Now our hurricane season not over yet. We have two different systems we're watching. Tropical Storm Philippe headed out to the west, and we have this area of thunderstorms that does have a chance for formation over the coming days. It will likely become our next named storm. That's Rena. Here's Philippe. You can clearly see the center on the surface there, which is not good news for Philippe. It means we're seeing a lot of wind shear. That's why all these thunderstorms are on the eastern side of that system. It's going to keep battling that as it heads to the west. So we are expecting a downgrade to a tropical depression. Now it could be impacting places in the northern Caribbean with some gusty winds, heavy rainfall, but it's not going to be a tropical storm still. Behind that, here's those thunderstorms. We have some broad circulation likely to become Rena. That is expected to head north of the Caribbean once again, like many things have been doing throughout this summer. So for our 7-day forecast, not worried about the tropics here. We could see some storms Wednesday, Thursday. That's our best chance to get that rainfall. We see that front move through. It'll be pretty breezy on Friday, leaving behind a really nice weekend. We'll be in the mid 80s and we'll have those drier conditions into the start of next week. Back to you.